So this is how to buy Cardano on Ndax. Once you guys open up Ndax, go to the bottom left and press on the trade icon. Once you're on the trade page right here, you can scroll down and see if you come across Cardano. If it's not here, which for me right here is ticker symbol ADA, but if it's not here, you can go to where it says markets and then press on the search icon and then start typing in Cardano or ticker symbol ADA and then select it. Once Cardano is selected, go to the bottom left and press buy. Make sure that the buy page is showing the green highlight right here. If it's not, it'll show sell. Make sure that buy is selected. Then below that where it says market, you can choose your order type. I will keep it at market for this example. Then below that, you can do this in regards to order size for quantity, or you can go down below that to where it says order value and you can do it by value. Once your amount is selected, for me where it says buy ADA, that'll light up, press it, and then proceed that way with the transaction. So that is how you guys can buy Cardano on Ndax. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.